Guys, welcome back. This is Jeevan from Code Android. Today we shall see how to develop a simple app, that is how to increment or decrement a number. Okay, let us begin. Click on Start a new Android Studio project, then select Empty Activity and then name the application as Number Increment and Decrement. Okay, click on Finish and wait until the sync is successful. Once it is successful, then we shall create the UI for our application. Go to the text part of the UI and remove this text view and remove the constraint layout and add the linear layout and give the orientation as vertical and let the layout gravity be center and gravity be center. Now to display a number we need a text view, so that we are creating one text view. Let it be wrap content and wrap content and let the color be primary and the text size be 35 sp. Close the tag. For increment, we shall add one button and wrap content, and let the text be increment and give the ID as inc ID. And for text view also, give the ID as num text. Okay, then close the tag. And for also to we need to decrement the number. For that also, add one more button, wrap content, and let the text be decrement and give the ID as big ID. Then close the tag and come to the .java. Now we shall initialize the text views, that is name the variable as number and the buttons as one be ink and one other be decrement. After declaration, now we shall initialize those declared variables, that is number is equal to, we shall typecast it by text view and attaching the id by find view by id or dot id dot. We shall see what id we had given, that is num text. Okay, we shall and let the increment button be find view by id or dot id dot inc id. Then for decrement also typecast it, that is button and find view by id or dot id dot tick id. Now we shall add the listeners for the buttons. That is, we have given the button name as ink dot set on click listener. That is new. And we shall, for incrementing a number or the decrementing a number, we need one variable for storing that number. So I am declaring it as count is equal to 0. And as soon as you click on increment button, the number should increment by 1. So I am giving count plus plus. Sorry, it is plus plus. Okay, now we had given text view as number dot set text. We need to convert that integer value to the string value. So we are using string dot value of count. This converts integer value into the string and displays in the place of text view. This function will do as soon increment the number as soon as we click on increment button. So we shall do the same thing for decrement button also. That is set on click listener. Okay, now we need to decrement the value of count by 1. So we are doing the same and number dot set text string value of count. Now we shall run and see how our app looks. Now we can see if we press on increment, the number keeps on incrementing, and if you click on decrement button, it keep on decrementing. And this is our app looks. In this app, we have developed a very simple app where we can increment or decrement the number by a single digit. See, that's all. This finishes our session. Thank you. This is Jeevan.